that video that we just watched? Well, here we have a diagram or a picture of some of our organs that we talked about in the video and a few more. So we're going to have a look at these pictures and we're going to see what we remember from the video. So here we have at the top of our head, do you know what that is? It's what we use to think. It's what we use, it's what receives information. So say when you hear something or when you smell something, that information goes back up there. Do you know what it's called? It's called our brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. And that's what you use when you think about something like when you think about what you want to play with, what game you want to play, what letter Miss Abby or Miss Shannon is asking you about. That's what you use to think. And that is also what you use to make decisions or make choices. And this is inside your skull. Do you remember what your skull is? Your skull protects your brain so that if you fall over and hit your head, your head might hurt a little bit. You might get a little bump, but your brain, mostly if it's not a very hard fall, your brain will stay safe inside your skull. And your brain is part of the central nervous system. Ooh, where are we? Your brain is part of the central nervous system. Do you remember what a system is? We just talked about it. Our system is a group of organs that work together. Next we have what's called a spinal cord. So this is inside your neck here. And your spinal cord is a bundle of nerves. So I'm going to come show you. So a nerve, like a cord, your spinal cord, and your nerves are like strings here. And this is like a bridge to send information from your body to your brain. So let's say it's probably at the back of Miss Shannon's neck. So this all will carry information from your body to your brain. Then we have these two organs, these green ones here. Do you know what they are called? This is what we use to breathe. So we're going to breathe in with me. Ready? Breathe in with me, Shannon. And you can feel it expand and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So these are your lungs. And this is what you use when you breathe in and breathe out. Do you know what air we breathe in? We breathe in something called oxygen, which goes into our blood. And then when we breathe out, our blood releases carbon dioxide. So when we breathe out, we are releasing carbon dioxide. So let's breathe in some oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. And your lungs are a little bit like a balloon, aren't they? When you breathe in, your lungs expand. Your lungs get bigger, and when you breathe out and the air goes out, it grows back smaller. Your lungs are part of a system called the respiratory system. Respiratory is a big word for breathing, your breathing system. Then we have our heart. Remember, our heart is the same size as our fist. It's on our left side here. So your heart is a pump for your blood. So when it goes boom, 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 like that, or maybe when you go for a run, maybe after munching move, your heart might be pumping very fast. Maybe when you get scared as well, your heart might pump fast. That's your heartbeat. So when your heart beats, it is pumping blood to go to the rest of your body. So if you see in your arms, so just look at your arm now, or maybe even in your hand, you might be able to see some blue in there, or maybe even green, bluish, greenish color. That's your vein. And that's your blood going through your body. You might be able to see it on your feet as well. part of your circulatory system, which is where all the blood, pretty much about the blood. So to keep your heart healthy, we need to exercise and eat good food, eat healthy food. And we need to keep our hearts healthy because when we get older, we might have, if we don't take care of our heart, we might have some heart problems, and that's not very good for us. We want to keep our heart healthy, so we need to make sure we exercise and make sure we eat good food. Then we have, this one doesn't have it here, but we've got our stomach here. And what does your stomach do? Your stomach might growl when you're hungry. Your stomach is where your food goes. So when we eat our food through our mouths, it goes down a pipe to our stomach. And this is where it's going to break down your food so it can take all the good things and get rid of all the bad things. And your liver also helps with this. Your pancreas helps with this. This is our digestive system, remember? We've also got a kidney here. We've got the pancreas. We also have a spleen. Your spleen, let's see. Your spleen stores your white blood cells and platelets. So in our blood, we have three things called red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Your red blood cells will carry everything through your body. Your white blood cells are something in your body that will fight off anything that makes you sick. So if you're near any germs and you're getting sick, your white blood cells are fighting to keep you healthy. Then you have platelets. So we're going to see this in another video after this group time. So platelets will, if you have a cut or a scrape, your platelets work to mend that cut or to fix that cut or scrape. Then we have our small intestine and our large intestine. So our small intestine will help to take all the good things, so all the nutrients. So when you eat healthy food, your small intestine will take all the nutrients, all the healthy stuff from your food, and, well, in your stomach, it breaks down the food, so it makes like a goopy soup. And then that goopy soup goes to your small intestine, which will take all the nutrients, and it will also get rid of all the waste, all the rubbish. And then that keeps going to our large intestine. And our large intestine will absorb water. And then it goes out, then we go to the bathroom. So that's all our organs. That's not all of our organs. We actually have many organs in our bodies. But these are the main internal organs. Do you remember do you know what internal means? Internal means inside. So the organs that are inside of us. So let's just review what organ means. Do you remember what organ means? Our organs are a group of tissues that work together to do something. And our systems are our group of organs that work together to do something. Well, thank you for joining Group Time with Miss Shannon. I hope you learnt something new. We also have another video after this that you can watch to learn a little bit more about your body. So just click the next video in this playlist, and I hope you enjoy that one. I'll see you soon.